Selamat pagi teman-teman sekalian, selamat datang di Mom's Kitchen lagi. Pagi ini Mami mau berbagi resep original sambal paprika mamiku ya. So good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. This morning, today we gonna Mom gonna share with us her original chili sauce recipe. Oke. Bahan-bahannya yang pertama itu paprika ya. So ini the red bell pepper. This is about 12 red bell pepper. Sekitar ada 12 paprika. Terus bahan berikutnya, so the next one this is the cabai rawit ya, cabai rawit pedas. So this is red chili, the spicy red chili. This is cabai rawitnya tergantung berapa kepedasannya, karena ini spicy pedas ya, ini cabai rawit. Jadi kalau mau pedas, lebih pedas, tambah lagi cabai rawitnya. So this is because this is spicy. It depend you use it. This depend how spicy that you like. If you like more spicy, then you can add more. But if you don't like spicy, you don't need to use it. Jadi kalau nggak suka pedas, nggak usah pakai cabai rawitnya, nggak apa-apa. The next one, berikutnya kita perlu 1 buah tomat, 1 tomato, and this one ini adalah gula Jawa ya. So ini adalah palm sugar. It's like this, the palm sugar. You can buy it in the, usually we bought it in the Chinese supermarket. So we chop the palm sugar until like this. So this is, ini gula Jawanya setelah kita iris-iris ya, like this. Kita butuh sekitar 3 sendok makan. So we need the palm sugar about 3 tablespoon. And the next, we need lemongrass. Ini kita butuh serai, sekitar 2 batang serai. So 2 lemongrass. And this is the daun jeruk purut, lemon leaves. Ini ini namanya apa ya? Ini in English it says galanga. Ini lengkuas. Ini daun salam atau bay leaves. Ini galanga this is the galanga that we use is from the frozen. You can find it in the Chinese supermarket. So kita ketemunya ini di Chinese supermarket. Kita beli yang frozen. So we bought it the frozen one. So you can use it like this much, like three pieces of the galanga. So tiga pieces of lengkuas. And ini bawang merah yang sudah dihaluskan. This is red onion, the minced red onion. Ini bawang putih. Ini minced garlic. Ini gula, sugar. And this is we need also salt. Kita juga butuh garam ya. Sekarang kita akan lihat gimana prosesnya. Pertama-tama cara membuat sambal paprika, original sambal paprika mami. So we can see how the first time we prepare to make the original mom's recipe chili sauce. Sekarang kita mau lihat gimana kita potong-potong paprikanya. So mami gonna show how to cut the red bell pepper. Oh, before I forgot, Mami said kalau nggak ada gula Jawa, nggak bisa ketemu gula Jawa, then you bisa diganti sama gula brown sugar. So if you cannot find this palm sugar in the supermarket, so instead of the palm sugar, you can use the brown sugar. See, this is, so you can choose either one. Either palm sugar if you have a palm sugar, but if you don't have the palm sugar, you can use the brown sugar. Nah, sekarang kita balik ke Mami. Mami, gimana cara potongnya? Lihat ya. Kita akan potong-potong. We gonna cut the paprika, the bell pepper, we gonna chop the red bell pepper. Okay, it's very easy. We're gonna chop it. Okay, like this. See? We chop all this red bell pepper until it's done. Before we chop it, for sure we have to wash it first, okay? Nanti sebelum dipotong-potong, kita make sure kita cuci dulu ya paprikanya, okay? Oke, sekarang sih semuanya the paprika udah di-chop. So all the red bell pepper is been chopped. Now we have to blender it, okay? So kita harus blender the paprika, okay? Okay, Mami. Like this, see? Jangan sampai terlalu halus ya. So kita pilihannya di sini cuma ada chop sama pure. So like this, see? You can see like this. It's not too really soft, but it's like we choose the chop one. So like this. Okay? We have to blend it everything here, the paprika. Okay? Okay, ini the last blender for the paprika so this is the last round to blend the red bell pepper. So we put also inside, this is the red chili, the small red chili, spicy red chili together. So we blend it also together. Jadi kita masukin juga cabai rawitnya terakhir. Ini ronde terakhir untuk kita blend the paprika. Kita masukin cabai ini rawitnya sekalian ya. So kita blend it together also. Okay. Kita blend it together sama tomat. Okay, so sama tomatnya juga kata Mami. We put inside the tomato too. So we put it all the spicy, see, the spicy red chili with the tomato together. Okay, sekarang we gonna blend it ya. Okay, see, now is all the paprika is done with the, kita selesai blender kasar the paprikanya. So we finish to blend the red bell pepper to become like see, like this, blend like chop. Okay, so like this. Now sekarang kita akan kita mau masak paprikanya ya. Now we gonna cook the paprika. Oke. Pertama-tama kita taruh minyak. Berapa kira-kira Mam minyaknya, Mam? 150. See? About 150 mili. Oke, so kita put minyak sayur yang bersih, kita 150 mili minyak sayur. Buat tadi sebanyak ini ya, sebanyak segini. Satu bowl paprika, lebih 12 paprika. So we put the cooking oil, about 150 ml cooking oil for that 12 red bell pepper. Okay, so we heat it up the oil until it's little hot enough. Okay. Okay, setelah minyaknya panas, sekarang kita masukin bawang putihnya sekitar berapa? 2 sendok makan. Sekitar 2 sendok makan. So after the oil is hot enough, we put the minced garlic, about 2 tablespoon minced garlic. Okay. Terus kita masukin juga bawang merahnya, juga 2 sendok makan bawang merah. So also we put it inside the 2 tablespoon minced red onion. Okay. And then we stir fry it until like smell is good, until light brown. So kita masak, kita oseng-oseng until warnanya ke coklat-coklatan, until wangi ya, sampai harum. Sekarang setelah harum, kita masukin ini semuanya, bumbu-bumbunya ya. Serai, daun jeruk purutnya, daun salamnya, sama lengkuasnya ya. So we put it in after it smell is good, a little bit brown, the onion, then we put it all the lemongrass, the lime leaves, the bay leaves, and the galanga. we put it all inside. We stir fry it all together. Okay? Dan langsung kita masukin juga si paprikanya with the chili, with the tomato, the one we blend already. We put it all inside together. So kita masukin juga semua paprikanya, tomatnya, sama cabai yang sudah di blender tadi. Kita masukin together ya. Oke. Now kita mau masak sekitar berapa lama, Mam? Sekitar 30 sampai 60 menit kata Mami. Oke. Until ntar sampai kayak gimana, ntar kita lihat gimana ya. Oke, so we gonna cook this paprika. It take about 30 until 60 minutes to stir fry it until all the oil from the paprika come out, because the paprika contains a lot of water, so it takes a little bit longer time. It depend on the how much paprika that you use. Okay, so jadi tergantung dari seberapa banyak paprika yang kita pakai. Jadi kalau lebih sedikit paprika yang kita masak, nggak selama sampai 1 jam ya, lebih kurang. Oke. So ini paprikanya lagi kita masak ya, kita godok terus pakai api di atas medium. So kayak between pokoknya 3/4 kan apinya, 3/4 besarnya. Oke. Jangan terlalu kecil, kalau nggak lama tuh dia mendidih bergolak-golak, kita tetap godok terus. Okay, so this is the paprika. We keep boiling the paprika. Heat it up with about between high and medium heat, more than medium. Okay, so see like this. So the paprika is boiling, but just leave it like that. Takes about 30 to almost 60 minutes. Okay, like this. You can see. Ini setelah kira-kira 15 menit paprikanya udah mulai rada kering ya airnya ya. Kita aduk-aduk supaya jangan hangus. So see the red bell pepper, the blend red bell pepper is kind of little bit dry now. So we reduce the heat for half. Okay, so we reduce the heat for half. Okay, so kita kurangin apinya sampai setengah ya. Dan sekarang Mami mau masukin ininya apa, palm sugar, gula jawanya. Now we put inside the palm sugar, or if you don't have palm sugar you can put the brown sugar. Okay, kalau nggak punya gula jawa bisa masukin brown sugar. Okay, terus kita masukin garam. We put it inside the salt. Okay, kita aduk-aduk. So we stir fry it. See the water is all dry now. It's come out the oil. You can see from here. See, it smells so good. Okay, harum sekali. Okay, garamnya juga tambahin lagi. Mesti bumbunya, garamnya, manisnya berasa ya. So you have to put the salt and the sugar, the brown sugar or the palm sugar, to make it tasty. The taste is you have to put a little bit stronger. Okay. Ternyata nggak sampai 1 jam ya, ini cuma 20 menit udah keluar minyaknya, udah hampir jadi. Oke, kita udah tambahin garamnya. Kalau mau rada manisan dikit lagi, kita boleh tambahin sama gula pasir ya, sih gula pasir putih. So it's now actually it's not until 60 minutes, it's just only about 20 minutes. It's almost done already. See, you can see the oil come out from the bell pepper. So if you need more salt, you add some more salt, and then put some see the sugar, right? See all the sugars. It depend on the what kind of taste that you want. Okay, make it the tastier. Okay, the more tastier is more better. Okay, so kita mesti tambahin garam sama gulanya sesuai dengan selera. Tapi semakin berasa tuh semakin enak. See, sebentar lagi ini cabenya sudah jadi. Kita bisa sih, ini lebih jelas lagi. Look at this. Garam ini cabenya kita bisa makan buat sama sama ayam goreng, ayam panggang, mau sampai ayam Kentucky juga bisa, oke? So this chili sauce you can eat it with the fried chicken, with whatever you like, with the pork chop, with the barbecue duck, whatever. So this is very tasty, spicy, original recipe from mommy, okay? Sambalnya sudah jadi sekarang, kita matiin apinya. Okay, so the chili sauce is done. Then you can turn off the heat now. Okay, now it's ready to enjoy it. Okay, nih lihat ini dia. Kita udah taruh di mangkok, sih. Lihat ini, sambalnya ready to enjoy it. You can eat it with any kind. So it's so tasty. This is original recipe from mommy. Thank you for the next recipe from mommy. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much. Enjoy. God bless you.